We're here at Raceway Park in Englishtown, New Jersey today to compare MSI's new products to drift cars. My name is Chris Petruccio, and I run the Crispy Media YouTube channel. My YouTube channel, Crispy Media, consists of automotive films that recap events and showcase individual car owners' vehicles. I came from a creative family. My mom used to create for DC Comics, and my dad's a freelance illustrator and artist. Using what I learned growing up watching them create, that allowed me to create in what I do now and put that through in video form. Before it was a job, creating was just my passion. I have over 800 videos on my first YouTube account. I was just making them and uploading to my channel, and somehow I ended up here where I am today, getting paid to make some really cool stuff, and that's amazing. That's so cool, and I'm super grateful and will always be grateful for all the opportunities that are handed my way. My life isn't always so glamorous though as it seems in some of the vlogs my audience sees on my YouTube channel. This job really does have its ups and downs, and this past summer I had one of my worst downs. While out in Vegas on a shoot with a client, someone broke into our car and took only 45 seconds to steal everything I've worked for. They stole all my equipment and all the footage from that day. Had to buy new hard drives, had to buy new cameras, had to buy new gimbals. I had to buy all new equipment and start from scratch. I think personally the highest part in my career was after that incident, was after everything got taken from me, when everybody that I know and everybody from the YouTube channel, from Instagram, from social media came together and helped me get back on top. The feeling of community and care and respect that people gave back to me after that is a feeling I'll never forget and a high I'll never come down from. After the incident, I upgraded to a Red Epic. I needed something that could handle that footage. The Intel Core i7 processor within the P65 allows me to play back high-resolution red footage with no latency at all. I travel with my gear and bring it with me everywhere. I need it to be reliable and I need it to be consistent. One of my favorite aspects about this laptop is the color accuracy. What's super important to me is that the color that I see is the color that the viewers are going to see at home on their device. The full HDMI out on this laptop is awesome. It allows us to review footage on a bigger screen. I love what I do just because I get to make cool stuff. My job is to make cool stuff. If someone were to tell me one day I would have a channel that has over 300,000 subscribers, that I'd be traveling to Austria to film car shows, that I would be somebody that people look up to, I just wouldn't believe them at first. And then seeing the feedback I get now, seeing the messages I get from my followers, seeing what companies want to work with me, seeing places that I get to travel, it's just so cool to be able to do what I do, travel where I travel, and have people know my name in another country, have people have my stickers on their car in another country, or somebody that I never met knows all about me because they watch the vlogs or they watch the YouTube videos, and they just tell me that they enjoy what I make. And at the end of the day, that's probably one of the coolest parts about my job. MSI laptops, powered by Intel Core i7 processor.